I just don't see how we would have been able to keep up without Clearstory. We would have just had to have at least one or two more people doing full-time on change orders. My name is Peter Schumann. I'm an assistant project manager for Swinerton Builders down San Diego division. We're currently working on the Hotel del Coronado, the guest room and corridor renovation. We were anticipating a lot of change orders on this project. Really, the big thing is just really feeling like you have control of the process, knowing our risk in live time. 4,000 hours of tickets that are, pending, not in change orders. We're sitting on 6,000 hours of tickets and change orders. There's this many with the owner, just in having it all essentially managed live, and we can check it and manipulate it how we please has been huge.
Clearstory has been a tremendous help and just streamlining the change process and creating transparency, as well as our GC team members have full access to our logs. So it's really just been a game changer.
Clearstory saved me a ton of time. As soon as I get a change order made, it's approved very quickly. And I probably saved, I would say, 130, 140 man hours on my end. We're able to take pictures, download it into Clearstory. We're able to put all the man hours on there, totally visual and transparent for Swinerton and Brand Safeway to see what was going on out there.
The other big thing that I really like about Clearstory is you can have full collaboration on a change order log. You don't ever have to do a true up, like, hey, this is what I'm showing, this is what the contractor, the sub is showing, and then you got to true it all up and agree. You literally just check Clearstory and you have a live accounting of what their change order log looks like.
With the GC side using Clearstory for this project, it's even more transparency and clear communication and accountability between the two teams. It just creates this smooth process that eliminates unknown or unforeseen issues.
We've seen almost 100,000 hours in 11 months with almost 4,000 T&M tags, and I can say I've never really had that feeling. You just check Clearstory and that's what it is.
Without Clearstory on the Dell here, it would have been, like I said, a nightmare.
Limiting back and forth. There is no back and forth. You just check Clearstory.